Well, student, topic about the electric dipole it is completed. What is equation of dipole moment? That is vector P is equal to Q into 2A. Already studied. Now the next thing is calculate the electric field on the axis of the dipole. Next topic that is about the word calculate the electric field or derive the equation of the electric field on the axis of the dipole. The name of this theory it is to be given like this: electric field at an axial point of an electric dipole. Electric field at an axial point of electric dipole. That means what? This point will be lying on the axis of the dipole. Okay. Now first of all, there is a diagram of this electric dipole in which there is a minus q charge. There is a plus q charge separated by distance 2a. The midpoint of the dipole it is placed on the origin O. Midpoint of the dipole is placed on the origin O. Okay, direction of the dipole moment it is from the negative charge to the positive charge. That is to be shown into this diagram. This is called vector P. From the midpoint, the distance of the plus q charge it is a. From the midpoint, the distance of the minus q charge it is also what a. So that a plus a it is 2a. It is a separation between the two poles. What is the aim of this theory? Calculate the electric field on the axis of the dipole. So that student, this point P it is lying on the axis of the dipole. Point P it is to be lying on the axis of the dipole at a distance r from the midpoint of the dipole. This point P it is to be lying at a distance r from the midpoint of the dipole. Now at point P there is two electric field due to plus q charge and due to minus q charge. Due to plus q charge, electric field is outward direction. Electric field is outwards, denoted by E plus Q. Due to minus q charge, the electric field is inwards direction. It is denoted by E minus. Due to plus q charge, denoted by E plus Q. Due to minus q charge, denoted by E minus Q. Okay? It is denoted by E minus Q. Okay, so total there is two electric field due to plus q charge and due to minus q charge. Student, in the last lecture we studied that in the characteristics of the electric field lines, due to positive charge, electric field is outward direction. Due to negative charge, electric field is inwards direction. That is why we saw the word outward direction and we saw the word inwards direction of the E plus Q, of the E minus Q. Fine? Okay. Now student, position of the point P from the plus q charge. So now the distance between these two charge denoted by it is r minus a. This distance denoted by what? R minus a. And from the minus q charge, position of the point P it is denoted by it is r plus a. From the plus q charge, r minus a. From the minus q charge, total distance is what? R plus a. Now to derive the answer of this theory, simply we are using the electric field due to point charge. Equation of electric field due to point charge. What is equation of electric field due to point charge? So that is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. Q by R square. Okay? Well, there is some explanation. It is from the diagram. As shown in figure, consider electric dipole consisting of two charges plus Q and minus Q. There is a electric dipole consisting of charge plus Q and minus Q. Separated by distance 2a, plates in vacuum. Separated by distance 2a, plates in vacuum. Okay? Next is P be a point on the axial line. P be a point on the axial line at a distance r. From the center O. From the center O on the dipole on the side of the plus q charge. On the side of the plus q charge. The position of the point P, it is lying on the side of the V charge plus q charge. It is lying on the side of the V charge plus q charge. Okay. Now student, there is a first equation of the electric field. There is a electric field due to minus q charge at point P. Electric field due to minus q charge at point P is given by, that is vector E minus is equal to, it is a minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R plus a whole square into P cap. And this electric field it is acting towards the left side. Therefore, towards left it is to be write down on this board. Direction of the electric field is towards left, write down towards left. Okay, so which equation we are using only? Minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r plus a whole square. Why we are using this r plus a whole square? Because the position of the point P from the minus q charge, it is r plus a. Therefore, we write down r plus a whole square. Okay. Similarly, now student, next is where p cap is the unit vector along the dipole axis from minus q to plus q. Where p cap is the unit vector along the dipole axis from minus q to plus q. Okay. Now similarly, electric field due to plus q charge at point P is given by, that is vector E plus q. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r minus a whole square into p cap. And this electric field acting towards the right side. This electric field acting towards the right side. For the E minus towards left. For the E plus towards the right side. Okay. We are using the which equation? There is a r minus a whole square. Because the position of the point P from the plus q charge, it is how much distance? R minus a. Therefore, we write down r minus a. For a minus q, we are using r plus a. For a plus q, we are using r minus a. And it is to be acting towards the right side. Now at point P, total two electric field are acting. There is a E plus q and E minus q. So a student, hence the resultant electric field at point P is given by. The resultant electric field at point P is given by, there is a E axial is equal to vector E plus plus vector E minus. Now simple student, substitute the value of E plus q and value of E minus q. Value of E plus q and value of E minus q. Okay. So now by adding these two values into this equation, between them which values are common? Between them q common and between them 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 common. So this student, we can write down this equation like this: q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 common. Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 common. Now into the bracket 1 upon r minus a whole square and minus sign 1 upon r plus a whole square and into p cap common. Now simple student, there is a mathematical steps. Chalo, now there is a cross multiplication. Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 as it is. Cross multiply r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square and divided by, student, it is like a minus b, a plus b. Studied in 10th standard, it is denoted by a square minus b square. So by using that factorization, now this equation can be write down r square minus s square whole square. Okay, these two equations now can be write down like this: r square minus s square whole square into the p cap. This equation, this form studied in 10th standard in the chapter of the word factorization. Okay. Now next step student, again q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 as it is. Now write down their expansion of the r plus a whole square. Expansion, that is r square plus 2ra plus it is a square minus 9 as it is. Again the expansion r square minus 2ra and there is a plus s square and division r square minus s square whole square as it is, p cap as it is. Now student, you can see that plus r square, this minus r square, it is cancelled. Plus r square, this minus r square is cancelled. Again student, minus into plus, it is again minus. So that student, plus a square, this a square is going to cancel. And this minus into minus plus 2ra plus 2ra, answer is 4ra. So now rewrite the next step student. Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 as it is. 2ra plus 2ra, it is 4ra divided by r square minus s square whole square into p cap. Okay. Now student, just studied in the equation of electric dipole moment where P is equal to, there is a Q2A. Q is ready and 2A is also ready. Came to above equation, Q2A replaced by P. This Q2A replaced by the word P. Another next condition, R is very much greater than A. So the student, value of the R is very much greater than A. The value of the A is negligible in comparison to the R. So that we can say that A square can be neglected compared to R square. This S square can be neglected compared to R square. So student, now S square is neglected. So only R square into 2 remain. So that is R is to 4. In numerator R remain. In division R is to 4 remain. R are cancelled. Now only R cube remain. So that the last equation can be denoted by, on axial is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q2A replaced by P, 2 remaining, write down 2 and divided by R cube remaining. And into it is what? P cap. Into it is what? P cap. Fine, student. So this is the electric field intensity on the axis of the dipole. It is the electric field intensity on the axis of the dipole, that is to be given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2p upon r cube into p cap. 2p upon r cube into the p cap. Okay? Without student another.